In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this outline lift effect in DaVinci Resolve. The first step of this effect is to open your clip in the color page. Take your pen tool and make a mask around the car. Go over to the tracker window and track the mask both ways. As you can see, the tracker did a terrible job, so we have to fix this manually. Click on the frame button and fix the mask manually. Head over to the node window, right-click, and add alpha output. Hold Option or Alt and drag the clip to copy it. Then press D to disable the copied clip. Open the original clip in the color page and click on the icon to remove the mask. Press D again to enable the clip. Compound clip the upper clip, and after that, open it in Fusion. Press Shift plus Space to open the Select Tool window and find Edge Detect. Turn down the edge width and play around with the other settings. Next to Mode, you can change the color of the outline if you want. For example, a green effect, but I'll keep it white. Go back to the Editing window. Change composition mode to Add, and then go to the first frame. Make keyframes for opacity and position. Turn opacity all the way down. Go to the last frame and turn opacity all the way up, and adjust position Y to bring it up. Open it in Fusion again, but this time, add an effect called Drip. With this, you can make some pretty cool looking effects. Choose one you like and play around with the settings until it looks good. I'll go with Random. I'll change the opacity keyframes so the effect is more visible. That's basically it.